institutional, rhythm moves slow. Liquidity tells where price will go. Building accounts with patient plays. Consistency defines our day. Signal shift, momentum grows. Algorithm shows where it goes. Watch the charts ignite. Sniper entries hitting right. Funded profits rising bright. Building strength in every night. Follow flow, ignore the noise. Structured moves, intentional choice. Let the chart reveal the way. Beat trades growing day by day. Trades growing day by day. Welcome to V-Trades.
Hello, hello, hello. Hope everyone is doing good. And looks like YouTube wants to work with me today, unlike yesterday. Yesterday was a mess. Had so many technical issues there. So this looks nice. Alright, so we had a little drop after this midnight open range there. Why do I have BTC dominance here? Sorry about that. Alright, so ES took that high from made new high for the day. NQ did similar. This is new day opening gap from today. I'll actually show my annotation chart. This one is not saved. So this is how the daily chart looks like. So I think we are going to be expanding further lower for London session, but we can also trade inside this. Today is Tuesday, if I'm not wrong. Yep. And then let's look at the calendar again. I don't think we have got any news driver for today. We do. So 2 p.m. we have got FOMC meeting minutes. I think we should be expanding lower. So let's look at 5-minute here. 1 minute. So we had this 130 first presented fair value gap, which was used beautifully here as bearish inversion fair value gap. We are 1 minute away from macro 250. And currently retesting new day opening gap low from 23rd of December on NQ. So if you guys have joined my Discord, I just made some profit over crypto, long Solana, and have booked 75% of the profit. So retesting the new day opening gap from 23rd of December, I would like to see some sort of resistance there. But let's see. All right. We've got nothing on ES here as annotation. And ES still needs to trade inside this 5 minute. It has not taken that high yet. So I'll wait to short from there. But if we have to take the short position from here, it will be a really wide stop. Something like that. So I would prefer to get something like this instead. And then I think we can target at least these equal lows there. So, how are you guys looking at the markets and what are your plan for trading? Like, are you guys actively trading right now and taking actual risk? I'm off. I do crypto just for fun, so that is all I'm risking on right now. Will be active from next week, hopefully. depending on what sort of price action we get. We have got a lot of economic calendar news driver. So yeah, let's look at the calendar together. If you guys see this, it is really busy next week. So I think all of this is going to be giving us really good information of what they want to do for the next, you know, some sort of quarter at least, I would say. All right, now ES has taken that high that we mentioned earlier. What I am really focused these days is proper risk management. It can also trade a higher, make another high for London session, take these highs, use that inefficiency to continue dropping lower. So let's see. I have not placed my limit order there. I would like to see some sort of confirmation that they want to drop it lower from there and not use all of this as bullish inversion. It's really fun to know new traders. So if you guys trade ICT, it will be really nice to know you guys. So drop something in that chat if you've got any questions. Let me know about your plans, what you guys trade, how long you have been trading for. All right, we are getting some slap. Let me check if I've still got my YouTube stream running because previously it's been. All right, it's still working. That's nice. All right, let's see if ES wants to use this bullishly or would it just get slapped from here? We are 1 minute away in from 3 o'clock, so new early candle. Which I'm expecting to expand higher initially. You guys look at this is can be read as the first presented fair value gap for London session. Alright, 3 o'clock pushes higher as it was expected to do. I get slapped. It's still grinding higher. Can be used as an order block if the one when price is lower. This is the first presented fair value gap for London session. All right. Pretty bullish push there, and that was the reason I did not want a short, because we have got this inefficiency as well, which can be retested. $15-minute order block. All right, we are up 110% on our Solana position. No trade up till now on NQ. Why it keeps on closing it? This looks really tempting for me to short. Just give it. I'm ready to go short from there. There. No signature of any such bullishness up till now. Makes high for an session there. Both on ES and NQ. Looks like they wanna test that 5-minute inefficiency that we were talking about earlier. Tagging that volume imbalance. Doesn't look like we will be profitable here. Still going to stick with that. Risk is managed, and it is actually lesser than what I usually take, so nothing to worry about. So the reason to short this basically was the fact that we got our day's opening from there. This was the new day opening gap. Initially we dropped lower, filled in all of that inefficiency, then traded higher to retest the new day opening gap and make higher high for the day. It is similar on ES as well. ES took yesterday's PM session sell side there. And then rallied higher. So the reason to short it was basically seeing continuation of this sell program to at least this low on NQ, where my TP is. but I think we got in a little early. We might get stopped out because they might retest these levels. The only reason I went in before this was retested and did not wait for that was the fact that we do not have this on 15-minute. Like, there is no inefficiency there. And this one looks pretty much balanced to me. So, took my chance there. Let's see. So 311 now. We've got our 250 to 310 macro, which did this run. Pretty much one-sided run. 157% profit on my Solana long. Looks like ES is building in more long orders from the first presented fair value gap there to trade inside the 5-minute inefficiency. That is the one I'm talking about on ES. But even on ES, we don't have anything on 15-minute, right? Okay, looks like ES is ready to continue higher, and so is NQ. Alright, ES is back at the top of this first presented fair value gap from 1:30 to 2 o'clock opening range, which is usually used for London session. All of this seems to be pretty balanced. Right, I like that reaction now. Right, quick recovery there, which is not in favor of our trade. Have the same trade in place. That's nice. But what did you see as confirmation? Like, I was waiting for confirmation, but noticing that we do not have anything as inefficiency on 15 minutes, so I basically shorted it. But now it seems to be working out in our favor. But previously it was just rallying higher. So I got filled on this candle, and until now I've only got drawdown, which is usually not the case on my trades. Like if I get straight drawdown in my trades, I usually get stopped out. But we do need to see how it reacts in this 5-minute busy. And well, if we reach up till there, I think we should be good to sweep the lows as well. क्या बोलते हो गगन भाई? Are you reading it in the same way? Right, good slap there. I do not want to see any more premium sensitivity in this volume imbalance on ES. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, but to be honest, भाई, if you see this, ये जो 15-minute सिबी पड़ी हुई है, it seems like they want to invert this bullishly. this is what I'm talking about. But up till now looks good. Okay, nice speed, and we are approaching 330 as well. Do not like the close there. Right, pushing it higher. Should have waited for some sort of confirmation. It is really important to know that once you have placed your trade, there's nothing like everything is out of your control. Uh, so it's always better to wait. That's what I meant to say there basically. I do not rush into trades. Trading above this for 15-minute CB. It seems to be getting inverted. We have got this small volume imbalance. I think they are retesting that. We are trading above here as well on ES. So not really confident on this trade anymore. Market has only showed me things that are against my position up till now. Now I do not want it to show us any discount sensitivity there. In the next candle it can go there, use this as premium array, and then keeps on rocking. If they want to price it lower from here. If not, then we could see some sort of rejection from here. Yep, that is how I'm reading it. I don't see any point of this trading any higher, knowing that we have already taken that high, made newer high for the day during midnight open range. So yeah. Alright, now I do not want this candle to be trading or closing above the high of this volume imbalance. Right, should get rejection from here. If not, then we are offside. If you guys are finding any value in this stream, do give it a like. It really helps new channel to grow at no cost to you. Alright, doesn't look good, to be honest. Not the type of close that I wanted it to do. Closing above this volume imbalance. We are 3 minutes away from 3:30. What's your stop, Gogan bhai? Alright, nice close there. Creating there's 3 highs, which are usually a rejection model. Alright, decent close. भाई कौन से टाइम फ्रेम पे स्विंग हाई? अगर 1 मिनट पे रखा है तो मेरे ख्याल से डेंजरस हो सकता है। इवन मैं भी ये कर सकता हूँ ना यार, थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि इनएफिशिएंसी में बैठा हुआ 200 तक मेरे पास मार्जिन है। लेट्स जस्ट यूज दैट। ये अच्छा है यार। नाइस क्लोज there. 5 minute swing. ऑलराइट, ये वाला है। सही। गुड गुड गुड। 3:30। राइट, ये वॉल्यूम इम्बैलेंस भी सपोर्ट किया हुआ है और यहाँ पे एक और बुलिश वॉल्यूम इम्बैलेंस दिया हुआ है। दिस शुड बी यूज्ड एज प्रीमियम array here. Otherwise, I think we'll be stopped up. Not really liking that final close on NQ. Should respect this 15-minute wick. You can also read wicks like that in quadrants because it is usually reacts like a gap. So you can notice some sort of reaction on those quadrant level of wicks as well, especially on daily time frame and weekly time frame. Those are really sensitive price points. So I think we are inside that inefficient. No, not yet. And भाई stop out तो नहीं हो गए. Inefficiency and this should be supported. Otherwise, yeah. और आप क्या funded account पे खेल लो या evaluation, because this is just demo trading right now for me. I do not have any funded account or any evaluations at the moment, and maybe I'm going to buy it right now and then put them on hold for next week. Not putting on any risk, just enjoying the holidays and resting. So, to be honest, I still haven't got any confirmation of shorting it, but now it should be rejected. I think this fair value gap should be used as bearish inversion if they want to price it lower. चलो ये अच्छा है. Good है, good है. But always give a decent room to your trades. Like how I am reading it right now is कि मुझे यहाँ पे एंट्री लेनी चाहिए थी और फिर जो मेरा वो था ना स्टॉप लॉस, वो इस 5 मिनट से भी कोई इनकॉर्पोरेट कर रहा होता, मतलब इतना रूम दे रहा होता यहाँ पे, अगर मैं अपना हाई ले सकता था स्टॉप लॉस तो काफ़ी सेफ शॉर्ट होता. प्रीवियसली मैं बहुत टाइट स्टॉप लॉसेस लेता था और उसकी वजह से ये मसला है कि हाँ ठीक है, रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है आपका, 3 to 5 हो जाता है ऑन यूजुअल ट्रेड रेगुलर ट्रेड्स, लेकिन मसला ये होता है कि आपका विन रेट जो है वो इफ़ इट इज़ अराउंड 60-65%, इट ड्रॉप्स अराउंड 35 to 40%. Or that plays really hard on your psychology, especially on me. हर किसी का अलग सीन है. तो इसलिए 2026 में I'm just trying to focus on doing less and sticking to proper risk management and letting the larger sample size do the thing. लाइक ही कर दो यार भाई, 2-3 ही तो लोग हो. और थोड़ा सा डिस्कॉर्ड भी बिजी बिजी रखो यार. नोट्स वोट्स देते हैं, पढ़ाई शढ़ाई करते हैं सब. Alright, stop out there. Now let's see what they wanna do there. यार ये बड़ा सीन है इसका ना, ये रिफ्लेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा स्टॉप लॉसेस। बाजी अब तो स्टॉप हो गया। अब तो ले गया ये सबको। All right, one trade, one loss. Nothing to worry about. Risk was managed there. Wasn't even supposed to be, taken because I should have waited for confirmation, but got impatient and got in the trade. Now let's see how ES and NQ wants to react inside this 5 minute CB that we expected it to trade inside. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That is how I wanted to position myself as well. Took one loss. Targeting previous day low. So around. That's nice. Good signal. Previous day low बहुत नहीं हो जाएगा भाई. Think so. बहुत बड़ा target हो जाएगा. But obviously it depends on how you trade. I don't really know much about it. But direction तो सही है. We are in sell model and I don't think that there is any reason अगर हम यहाँ से proper देखते हैं कि they want to sell it. I don't think there is any reason कि वो overnight session में ये high ले या ये high ले. तो अच्छा ट्रेड है आपका. I like it. और 4 बजे ये स्टॉक्स भी खुलते हैं तो मैं ये चारों स्टॉक्स देखता हूँ इन क्यू पे एग्जीक्यूट करते हुए. ट्राई इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग मतलब ज़्यादा इस पे रिलाई नहीं करना लेकिन स्पेशली NVIDIA. So 20 minutes away from there. Right, I really like that slap. Would like to see proper sell-off from here. This volume imbalance. And this busy on ES. Good speed there. I'm really liking it. Right. Nice reaction. Should continue lower. Eight minutes away from macro. ES is still looking strong, to be honest. On one needs to get rejected and displace. Yep, ES is looking really strong. Maybe because of the fact that it has still not referred the midnight open range. Why? NQ has just the low of it. Is Solana doing? Solana is doing pretty good, around $145 in profit. Looks like pretty on site. Not dollars, I meant 145%. I've already booked 75% of the position there. Shared over my Discord. Alright, ES makes higher high. Refers the low of midnight open range there. ES pushes higher again. Yes, it's still looking pretty smooth towards the higher side. Three minutes away from macro. Right, ES is still pushing really high. Not looking good, to be honest. This is how the annotation chart looks like. So currently inside the midnight open range now. This is 4 hour. Expected it to sweep these lows. But looks like not from here. Still looking pretty strong, and the fact that ES is now trading above this 5-minute fair value gap, and we can also draw it like this, to be honest. Six minutes away from stocks open. This can be used as inversion fair value gap. Okay. Need some proper displacement in these 5 minutes towards the downside, so that the volatility at 4 o'clock does not stop us out if we are in the right direction. Right, 3 minutes away from 4 o'clock. Still doesn't look too good. on this 5 minute to be closing somewhere around this PC. Use it as bearish inversion rather than discount array. Right, 4 o'clock. Most of these stocks opened higher, but now they are dropping lower to fill in the gap. That is how I've opened this a 5 minute chart. Right, that looks nice on NQ, on ES, sorry, because of the volume imbalance. I expect it to use this 5 minute BC as bearish inversion. This is what I'm talking about. Should have waited for this all along and could have avoided my first loss. I would like for the indexes to be closing below this inversion fair value gap. Although Amazon and Nvidia are trading higher, both the indexes are still taking a hit. remember that they need to close it below this inversion failure gap for us to be correct here. Because we have still got 1 minute, if they recover it all within these 2 minutes, our excitement will be all gone to waste. We have also got this volume and balance on ES. So you never know whether they wanna refer it again. Right, makes high. Dropped out. No worries, by manage your risk properly. Focus on survival, staying in the game for a longer time. It's part of the process. I won't be taking any trade for the rest of this session. And we'll be coming back on around maybe 8:30 or 9:30. I'll let you guys know over Discord. For New York session. All good, bye. Thank you. Will you be taking another trade this session? Oh, okay. All good. ओके, आप खेलते नहीं हो? ओके, मैं आप बोल रहे थे कि ओनली लंदन. ओके, हाँ, न्यूयॉर्क के में इतना वोलेटाइल है ब्रो, इट्स रियली फास्ट. like because of my work schedule, I cannot execute on London completely. But if I get opportunity from 12 until 5 o'clock, I can easily, like, I think I can make decent enough amount of money to not be up until midnight because I live in Australia. It's really difficult to manage this schedule, especially with 9 to 5. But for now, I'm going to stick with both the sessions because I really like doing it and I end up doing it every day. So just stream it as well. So, yeah. और आप ये सारी annotations यूज करते हो भाई? New day opening gaps, new week opening gaps, midnight open price, midnight open range, opening range gaps, regular trading hour closing price. I found these really useful in understanding daily PO3. So 350 macro basically did this. We are left 48 minutes in this London session. So we had this drop around 230 and since then we have been grinding higher. Started this run after 12 o'clock. We could have taken a small scalp from here till here, at least long. This is what I'm talking about. Previous day low, previous day high, new day opening, सेशन हाई लो भी। हाँ तो सारी तो चीज़ें हो गई भाई। मतलब आप मिडनाइट ओपन रेंज नहीं यूज़ करते लेकिन लंदन सेशन के लिए तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है यार मिडनाइट ओपन रेंज। लाइक मिडनाइट लंदन सेशन में मिडनाइट ओपन रेंज बहुत यूज़ की जाती है, आप आराम से ट्रेड्स ले सकते हो। एक और भी ओपनिंग रेंज है लंदन की, दैट इज अराउंड 130 till 2. सो फ्रॉम हेयर टिल हेयर उसका जो फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेड फेयर वैल्यू गैप है ना, वो देख लो यहाँ पे कितने अच्छे से यूज हुआ है टू ड्रॉप लोअर। तो इनिशियल हाफ में वो बहुत अच्छे से यूज करते हैं ये, और फिर देख लो सेकेंड हाफ में कितने प्यार से ये यूज किया है सेम ही फेयर वैल्यू गैप ऊपर लेके जाने के लिए। तो आई वुड रिकमेंड यू एटलीस्ट ये 130 वाली ओपनिंग रेंज देखना शुरू कर दो, इफ नॉट मिडनाइट ओपन रेंज। Alright, all the other stocks are trading higher. हाँ, बैक टेस्ट करके देखना, इट विल बी रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। और स्टडी रिसोर्सेज पे मैं आईसीटी के वो लेक्चर्स भी डाल दूंगा, मिडनाइट ओपन रेंज के, और हाउ टू यू नो बेसिकली ट्रेड लर्निंग सेशन, डिस्कॉर्ड के स्टडी सेक्शन में। एंड व्हाट आई हैव ऑलवेज फाउंड कि आफ्टर ये 12:30 एक ट्रेड आपको ये मिलता है 12:30 से टू लाइक 3:30, 3 o'clock, 3 वाला मैक्रो होता है, 3:10, और फिर 3:10 से 3:50 तक एक और ट्रेड फॉर्म होता है, यूजुअली अपोजिंग साइड के तरफ। नो वरीज भाजी, no worries। उस पे बस फीडबैक देते रहो तो और अपना इनपुट भी देते रहो, लाइक विच वीडियोस यू हैव गॉन थ्रू और कौन कौन से पे नोट्स ले चुके हो। मैंने प्लान बनाया है कि मैं क्या करूँगा कि आईसीटी के जो कोर कंटेंट है 2016 वाला, आई एम गोइंग थ्रू इट अगेन बिकॉज आई फाउंड इट रियली यूजफुल। And this time what I'm trying to do is make notes over OneNote rather than doing it manually or handwritten like previous time, so that it is organized, and then I will share it with our community. Looks nice now, to be honest. Like अगर मैं equal highs there, this has been taken on ES, so all the other stocks are rallying higher as well. लग रहा है कि नीचे ले आएगा ये यहाँ से। Let's see. $40 left in London session. Oh, actually, how can I miss that, man? The reason of this run higher can also be the fact that we can be trading higher initially for the rest of the day to close off this opening range gap from yesterday. But usually, whenever we get it on Monday, that is not the case. Like being filled on the very next day. What they usually do is keep dropping it lower and then bring it back to fill it towards the end of the week, somewhere around Thursday or Friday. So maybe that can be in play. Looks like we are going to be stopped out. 2 minutes away from 4:30. All right, this is it for me for this session. Thanks a lot for being here. If you learned anything in this stream, do give it a like, share it with others. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. I do trade live every day, London session and New York AM session. Today I'll be doing New York AM session as well. So see you guys later on. So two trades for the day. Did not expect it to be more than 200, so around $410 in loss, and we'll see if we can make anything back in the New York morning session. Thank you for being here. Until then, take care and stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers, bye.